To use your Figma link in YouWare, you'll need a personal access token. In this video, we'll show you how to set it up. First, go to YouWare's creation page and open the MCP tool collection. Click the plus button to add it. You'll see that it asks for a personal access token. Let's grab it from Figma. On Figma's homepage, click your profile and go to Settings. In Settings, open the Security tab, then scroll to Personal Access Tokens and click Generate. Now on the Generate Token page, give your token a name. Next, set the permissions to Read Only, covering current user, dev resources, file content, file metadata, file versions, and projects. Click Generate Token and copy it right away. You won't see it again. Just type the token back in, click Save, and you're all set. Now, grab the section URL from your Figma design and drop it into YouWare's Create tab. This tells YouWare exactly what to convert. Finally, hit the Action button and watch the magic happen. In seconds, your Figma design transforms into a fully live website. That's it. You just turned Figma into a real site. No coding, no stress. That's the power of YouWare. Code-free, stress-free, and editable anytime.